there's this product that I've always seen, and the advert is kind of so funny to me, which I don't still understand why people are still buying it or still using it. So I'm going to show you what they put on it, like quite written in front of it, and people will still come and buy. Chetiri, bagada bagada, written boldly. They did not even write it like small, like trying to hide it. They wrote it there. Smoking kills, quit now. And people will still come and buy it. You see? Every of it will need big label. And why are people still buying it, and why are people still using it? That is quite beyond my understanding. Like it is written on it that it kills. You should quit now. And then they are selling it, and then people will still buy it, which means each day you want to buy, smoking seriously kills. And smoking seriously harms you and others around you. You see? It harms you and others around you. Quit now. They will not quit, so they will still continue to smoke. And the annoying thing is, they will buy it, it will harm them, it will even harm you, that you are not smoking, that you are just beside them. So, what is it? There's no way they can say it more than this. Only, protect children, don't make them breathe your smoke, and they will still smoke. Protect children, don't make them breathe your smoke. Smoking when pregnant harms your babies. Smoking seriously harms you and others around you. Smoking kills. Smoking seriously harms you and others around you. Smoke contains benzene, nitrosamine, formaldehyde, hydrogen. Imagine, it even contains, oh my goodness, it contains formaldehyde that it is known to cause lung cancer, and benzene, which is carcinogenic in nature. Oh my goodness. And these people, they keep smoking and they are harming people beside them. That's the annoying part of it. If you want to smoke, if you want to kill yourself, if you want to harm yourself gently, without harming your neighbors. See, smoking can cause a slow and painful death, because your lungs and everything will be damaging gradually. Only, see, this is what I'm saying. You see, smoking causes fatal lung cancer, because it contains formaldehyde and it contains benzene, and this is non-volatile organic compounds that are carcinogenic in nature. After benzene, the next one is formaldehyde, and it is so dangerous. I don't know, and they are selling it, but they put it there for you to see. So if you still want to buy and kill yourself, go ahead and buy. See, there's one thing I saw here that even interests me most. They said get help. You see this one? Get help to stop smoking. Consult your doctor or pharmacy. That's the one that caught my attention. Like, they need help. They really need help. And they are not just killing themselves. They are killing others too, which is not fair. Honestly. And you see, they are selling it, and they are still putting the notification there. They are telling you the danger, but that doesn't stop them from selling. They say they shouldn't